Hello, this is Tom Zeppeveld from Graphileon with a short demo on dynamic styling. And dynamic styling is one of the features that we introduced in our InterActor 1.2 version. And for those who don't know yet, InterActor is our add-on to Neo4j, the Neo4j graph database that allows you to build applications fast and provide you with an enhanced user interface. Let's look at the dynamic styling. I have a shortcut over here, and it triggers a table that, if I click on rows, has the functionality that it changes, that the styles are changed. Well, let's have a look at how this works. This is my dynamic table styles table view, and it has a row click event, both of which are stored in the Neo4j store. If I look at its neighbors, you can see that there is a features demos, which is a dashboard node, and it corresponds to one of these dashboards. And in this dashboard there is a shortcut to this table view. So when I click the shortcut, the table view is executed. I'm going to hide this node for the moment, and let's have a look what is inside those two elements, the table view node and the row click relationship. First, the table view node. In this case, it doesn't get its data from Cypher, but from an array that is stored in the hash data property, and it has 6 columns: ID, from, to, fraud, and then we have the marked from and the marked to columns. Some of the columns are hidden. So for instance, the column ID that is hidden over here, that's why you don't see it over here. And other columns are used to contain styling information. So for instance, for the from column, that one gets its data from the marked from column. So the styles themselves are stored over here. And there's also a column, a property in the table view that defines the column that provides the style for the row, which is the fraud column, and which is initially set to no fraud. Now let's look at the event. When I click on a row in a table, InterActor triggers a row click event, and that row click event is also a relationship stored in Neo4j. If we look at that one, you can see that it returns, when it's clicked, it returns data to the table view itself. So it's a self-referencing relationship, and the data that is used to change the current row is the ID that is necessary for the table to find the row, and there is a formula in here that can be evaluated, and so it flips the fraud to no fraud and the other way around. And this is what triggers the effect that, okay, when I click, the styling is updated. There are, as you can see, there are many other demos over here. I will talk to them in the next couple of days. So please stay tuned for more of this stuff on our InterActor enhanced user interface and application builder. Thank you very much.